Afternoon, students. Today we are beginning Indigo from Flamingo book, written by Louis Fusker, chapter 5. And if we talk about Louis Fisher, he was a part of British Army between 1918 to 1920, and during that time he came across the life of Gandhiji, and he was affected by it, and he has written this life of Mahatma Gandhi, and this book has won academic winning award. He has won for this book. And if we talk about this story has been taken from the life of Mahatma Gandhi. In Indigo, Louis Fisher has talked about more Gandhiji's advent in the freedom movement, and was a significant event. It had become possible due to Champaran episode where Gandhiji showed his best traits of personality. He acceded to Rajkumar Shukla's request and accompanied him to Champaran. Moreover, he didn't let his ego empower him. Gandhiji studied the matter of poor indigo growers to its roots and then moved forward. The peasant got the glorious victory. It proved a turning point in Gandhiji's life. If we talk about who was Rajkumar Shukla, he was a poor peasant who was affected by the British enforcement of growing indigo in their field. So he was against that, and because of that he went to Gandhiji to meet him. Annual convention of India's National Congress at Lucknow. At that time, Gandhiji was there attending the meeting. Rajkumar Shukla, who was a poor illiterate peasant, he went there to meet Gandhiji, and he complained against the injustice done on peasant at the Champaran. Gandhiji at that time, he was busy with his meeting and another things to solve. So he asked Shukla that he will come to him later, but Shukla was so firm and resolute that follows Gandhiji everywhere, wherever he went. Gandhiji tells Shukla to meet him in Calcutta at a particular, and same time Gandhiji he promised, but Gandhiji tells Shukla to meet him in Calcutta on a particular date that he gave, that he shall be meeting Shukla there, and from there he would be moving to him. Now Gandhiji went with Shukla to Rajendra Prasad's house. Rajendra Prasad, as you know, he was the first president of India. Shukla waited with Gandhiji at that place for Gandhiji at Calcutta. Both board the train to Patna in Bihar, and they visited Rajendra Prasad lawyer out that is of the town. Servant considered Gandhiji also to be another peasant and untouchable, and he was not allowed even to draw water from their well. This affected Gandhiji. The behavior of the Rajendra Prasad, the lawyer, his servant, the way he behaved with Gandhiji. And stay at the Professor Malkani's house. Now see, the British who were in power, they really used to torture those people who used to give the refuge to those people who were against the Britisher. And Gandhiji now decided to halt in Muzaffarpur for some more information about the Champaran. So he sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kripalani, and Kripalani, he received Gandhiji at his station, and he was happy to have Gandhiji at his own house. And here people fear helping advocates of a home rule. Now this is what home rule here signifies: to go against the law of the Britishers and helping the people who are against the the targeted people of the Britishers, and he shows courage and greet Gandhiji at his home. Whereas Professor Malkani, he was not scared of the Britishers, and he showed the courage and he fought against the Gandhiji. Now meeting with the lawyers, and Gandhiji's arrival that spread quickly all over, and sharecroppers and the lawyers, they came to see Gandhiji, who visited Champaran. Lawyers brief him about their cases. They told him about their cases. Gandhiji scolds them, collecting a heavy fee from the poor peasant. Now here Gandhiji, he scolded the lawyers for the fees that they collected from them. The says that going to the court is useless, and most important thing is to free the peasants from the fear of British rule. And he says it is no use going to the that is to the court, and the peasant had to be they should realize, they should be given confidence to fight against the British landlord. They should not be feared by them. Thank you for today.